And the Roper Grand Affair draws for the lead. Paring Hilton running by with Easy Lover around the outside now, taking the fourth spot. Spanish Drums, then followed by Speedy Maki. Dumada Gundong is next on line, while My Ray is running in the tail of the fielder. Out the straight they travel. Grand Affair just in front, followed by Paring Hilton. Pradi outside, running by Willis Easy Lover. Four lengths back now is Spanish Drums, and followed by Speedy Maki. Long way back to Madagundong and My Ray, who's still running in the tail of the field. Inside the last 600, it is still Grand Affair being chased now by Pareng Hilton. Now from the outside, 2 lengths back now is Easy Lover. Here comes Speedy Maki. And at the last 350, it is still Grand Affair leading now by some 3 lengths over Pareng Hilton. And threatening danger on the outside is Speedy Maki. And at the last 150, it is still Grand Affair leads by some 5 now over Speedy Maki, Pareng Hilton. And at the wire is all Grand Affair. Speedy Maki, Pareng Hilton, My Ray, Easy Lovers, Spanish Drums, and Dumada Gundong.